quads. Starting on the tone in less than 3. Whole shot Chett at 3.32. Chaser lap 1 in second. Vball lap 1 in third. Lap 1 in fourth. Chaser lap 2 in first.
Well, I didn't catch my second lap.
I guess not.
60 seconds remaining.
Oh, well, video.
2 in second. Chett lap 2 in third. Chaser lap 3 in first. Abullit lap 2 in fourth. Vball lap 3 in second. 30 seconds remaining.
That was 4 for me.
Chaser finished. Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 3. Whole shot Chaser 2.81.
Oh, what?
That just sounds nasty.
Chett lap 1 in first. Chaser lap 1 in second.
No! No, I can't flip in this grass either. Well.